Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, today is our first meeting.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hi, I'm Afzan.
Hi, my name is Amir. Annyeonghaseyo. Junun Muizuddin Ibnida.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Ismi Al-Hazib bin Ramlan wa ana at-talib fi IIUM.
Hi, saya Nara. Watashi wa Zikri Den. Hi guys, my name is Mama Aziz. I'm still 18 years old and I'm from Sabah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Ismi Muhammad Hazib bin Ahmed. Ahlan wa sahlan ila our project.
Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Amin. Kerja saya editing.
I'm here because I want to tell you about what is our objective in this our project assignment. Okay, we want to study how frequent does econs level students visiting most in a week. Okay, we use the population from econs, all econs level students, and the sample is we selected 50 students from econs CFS, and our variable is first types of year, first year or second year. Okay, second is gender, male and female. Third is how many times they go to the mosque in a week. Fourth, what is the main activity that have done the most Usra, recite Quran, Usra gathering or whatever, and so on. Okay, fifth is how many times they perform Jamaah prayer in a week. Six is what types of dress they wear to the mosque. Okay. Seven is how much time they spend in the mosque. Eight is what kind of method they go into the mosque. Okay. Nine is they go to the mosque with friends or not. Okay. And finally is they go into the mosque with ablution or not.
In our project, we use certified centimeter. So, what is certified method? Certified method is possible when it makes sense to partition to population into group based on the factor that may influence the variable that is being measured. A stratified sample is constructed by classifying the population in subpopulation or strata based on some well-known characteristic of the population such as age, gender or socio-economic status. So, dalam projek kami menggunakan certified sample method. Okay. Kami mengambil 60% pada female and 40% daripada male. So, daripada 60% female, kita ambil 3/5 daripada female and 2/5 daripada male. Dan selepas itu kita buat 50 survey lagi. Sebagai langkah berjaga-jaga, kami mengambil 60 survey. Dan akhirnya kami telah mencapai 60 survey itu. Tapi kami hanya mengambil 50 survey saja, iaitu 30 female dan 20 male.
In the data collection, we have managed to collect the 60 questionnaire. After we have managed to collect the 60 questionnaire, we have done our graph. For example, like the bar graph, histogram, and frequency figure. After that, we have managed to doing the data organization activities.
Now, I will talk about the challenges. The first one is the limited time. The second is the respondents choose. The first challenge is limited time. Obviously, we did not have much time to collect data from the selected CFS economic students. We only had a chance to collect data at night. The second challenge is the respondent choosing. In addition, it is not easy for us to find our respondents. Now, I will talk about the moral value. Firstly, we must to cooperate with all the group members to ensure the work and the project will settle successfully. Secondly, we have to do the work professionally. We have to know how to manage the time wisely so the work or the project will be done successfully.
Okay, for the first graph, we put the first graph into a histogram. So for the vertical, we have number of students. For the horizontal, we have frequency go to most or surround in week. So our finding is, from the graph, it can be seen that the highest number of students go to most or surround is 0 to 6, which is 35 students in a week. That means that they go to the most or surround 0 to 6 times in a week. Okay, then the number of students go to the most from 24 up to 30 and 30 up to 35 are similar, which is only 2 students in a week. So we know that minority are very istiqomah in going to the mosque or surau. Okay.
Wajib. And the x-axis is the frequency performed Jamaah in mosque or surau, and the y-axis is the number of students. And two findings that we get is from the graph. First one is majority of the students only perform Jamaah prayer in mosque or surau 5 times a week. And the second one is 80% of the students perform Jamaah prayer in mosque or surau less than 10 times. 10 times. Okay? That's all.
Okay, I want to tell about the second graph. That is bar graph. Okay, the vertical of the bar graph is number of students, and the horizontal is main activity. From the graph, I can get two findings. The first one, the graph indicate the main activity done by female student. The most is usra gathering, which is 11 students. The second one, while for male student, the activity done in the mosque and surau is reading Quran, which is 8 students.
For the first graph, we combine two variables, which are time spent in mosque and year of study. We use frequency polygon for these variables. For the x-axis is time spent in mosque, we do in minutes, and the y-axis is for number of students. For the legends is first year and second year. For the orange line is shows for first year, and the blue line shows for the second year. For the findings that we get from this graph is, the graph indicates for the first year students, the graph reached its peak for the time in mosque at 70 minutes with 30 students. And the second finding is for second year students, there are no students spend their time in mosque and surau at 50 until 100 minutes, 110 minutes, and from 150 until 210 minutes. Thank you.